This is Domina Mara and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because today we are doing a cute try-on haul with Blue Honey Store. But before we get to these cute outfits and accessories, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications by hitting that bell so that you know when I have new collabs like this coming out. I post every Wednesday and Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time, and I live stream on Sunday afternoon to evenings. Since live streaming is based off of my personal availability, you must be subscribed in order to find out when I pop online. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at MaraDomina for daily news and updates. Today we have Blue Honey Store, founded in 2019 by Miss Yasmin. She worked in retail management for over 8 years and finally quit her job at a cable company to carry out her own passions for visual merchandising and fashion. Blue Honey Store began with the self-awareness that Yasmin had while shopping around different brands to mix together for her personal tastes. She has a wide range of moods, therefore not one brand style matched her love for fashion, anime, rap culture, video games, and brunch. She wanted to create a brand that fits all facets of everyone depending on how they feel day to day. Miss Yasmin takes her brand very seriously while still maintaining a down-to-earth personality with all her supporters. A lady after my own heart. She includes free gifts in all orders and sends complimentary clothing on her subscriber's birthday, with valid proof of course. So inspiring. Watch this video all the way to the end for the website link and my special discount code for you all today. 3 pieces of jewelry as well as 4 outfits are sponsored in our Blue Honey Store haul. First up, we have this wonderful romper in rust. It can be a basic look as a solid color piece, but it is also smart casual, and depending on how you layer this piece, you can look academic, or give summer resort vibes, and more. This lightweight V-neck romper is made out of a nice cotton material with an adjustable and removable belt, folded sleeves, and, my fave, 2 front pockets for your wallet and keys. Sticking with the resort theme, next we have the Tropics Bay 2-piece set in green. Feeling like getting away to an island with rich jungle leaves? Well, this strapless tie in the front top and elastic waist shorts are perfect for taking with you on vacation, whether you leave home or not. This fabulous foliage set also comes in a stunning yellow to brighten you or anyone else's day when they look at you. The Yasmin bodysuit is named after our lovely founder, and she is decked out in pink and deep red roses in a semi-sheer mesh polyester fabric. The black piping leads the eye around all the right curves and contrasts nicely against the floral print. Pair this bodysuit with black, nude, or red high-waist bottoms, or an oversized blazer and thigh-high boots in the fall or winter, or sandal heels for the warmer seasons like summer and spring. Lastly, we have the Shill Cross U top, which wraps around the waist and crosses again around the neck as a halter, or any other way you want to creatively tie it. This piece gives off brunch vibes without trying. Or rooftop dinner date in downtown. This top is truly flattering on all types of body shapes. For jewelry, we have a pair of 18-karat gold-plated Twisted Dreams hoop earrings with a stainless steel base. It measures in 7 millimeters in diameter and even has twist detailing all around. Should silver be more of your color, Blue Honey has that option for cooler tones too. Finally, we have these double rhinestone G earrings that will literally go well with any of the previous outfits. In my mind, I like to think of it standing for girl gang when I wear these. If any of the hardware is delivered defective and deemed so from the manufacturer, a replacement of the same item or store credit will be given. Huge thank you to Miss Yasmin at Blue Honey Store for sponsoring this video. All clothing is made in the USA and comes in cute packaging, literally. The sticker even says there's cute stuff inside. You can find these items on bluehoneystore.com and linked down in the description box below. If you use my code MARA, you will receive a 25% off discount on your entire order. Free shipping is available for purchases over $25. Shipping is 2 to 5 days domestically and 4 to 14 days internationally. There is also an express option for you to choose to receive your goodies sooner. Blue Honey ships quickly, so orders that aren't canceled within 2 hours will be processed. If you like this video, share it so that others can view the versatility of Blue Honey Store. Like it, subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you know when I have new collabs like this coming out. Join my membership tiers to support me if you love my work. Follow my social media at Mara Domina and tag me with your outfits from Blue Honey so that I can see what you ordered. Until next time, be safe, have fun, and keep it stylish, everyone.